We're learning more about the damage and destruction left behind by Hurricane Helene. More than 40 people have died and millions are without power as the now tropical storm moves through Georgia and the Carolinas.
We went downstairs to check on everyone, and then we started getting floated away, and the boats came right in time to save us.
They were fortunate. It first made landfall last night as a Category 4 storm in the Big Bend region of Florida. More than 50 people had to be rescued from the roof of this hospital in far eastern Tennessee after water flooded the facility. People standing on the roof. This comes as there's concern that multiple dams in the region may fail at any moment. That includes this one in Lake Lure, North Carolina. Officials there say failure is, quote, imminent, and are calling for those nearby to evacuate immediately. And help is on the way now, including 4 Red Cross vehicles from Minnesota. They'll help serve meals and connect people to resources as long as they're needed. Callan Gray joins us now live in studio with their efforts and the Minnesotans down south dealing with the storm's aftermath. A lot of work, Callan.
It certainly is. Lindsay, those Red Cross volunteers were up before the sun this morning, getting ready to head to Florida. The recovery in that state starting after this devastating storm.
This video captures the start of the storm surge in Lee County, Florida, as Hurricane Helene started to hit the state Thursday evening.
The water was surging over the seawalls and starting to flood over the roadways.
Travis Rozier, a former KSTP photojournalist, lives in Port Charlotte and works for the county, capturing the flooding on his way home from the County Emergency Operations Center.
Once nightfall kind of happened, you could hear the winds just hitting the house. The rain would pick up and die off pretty quickly.
The Lee County Sheriff's Office sharing this video, battling the elements during a rescue operation on Fort Myers Beach. The storm making landfall farther north.
This is the worst. Ain't nothing even come close to it.
The flooding up and down the Gulf Coast leaves homes unlivable, businesses destroyed.
They're cold, tired, and hungry. We're there to give them some food, but we're also there for comfort.
The Red Cross Minnesota and Dakotas region sending 4 emergency response vehicles.
With any disaster, we will be down there until people are well on the road to recovery.
People are going to be looking for places to live here, and it's going to be extremely long recovery.
Jane Heinrichsen, who retired to the Sarasota area from Cottage Grove, tells us her husband has been helping friends clean up as they assess the damage in the area.
Anna Maria Island, Longboat Key, St. Armand's Circle, they're places that people from all over the world visit. They're inhabitable now, right now.
We're definitely praying for everybody that's been affected.
Rozier, who's been out with the county documenting flood damage, understanding there's a long road ahead.
A lot of people are probably hurting, and I'm feeling for them, especially after, we got hit with Ian, so I know how devastating it is and how terrible it is to be walking through such destruction like that.
3 firefighters, a woman and her 1-month-old twins, and an 89-year-old woman whose house was hit by a tree are among those killed across the path of this storm. Some are expecting or estimating the property damage could amount to more than $26 billion, Lindsay.
And we just don't even know yet. Callan, thank you.